Hi everyone, welcome back to the cooking channel. In today's video we're going to make some poppy seed muffins. Before we do that though, let me walk you through the ingredients you'll need as well as a few utensils. So for this recipe you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of melted butter, a half teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds, a fourth a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and 2 eggs. For kitchen utensils, you'll need a large bowl to mix everything in, a whisk or other stirring instrument, some measuring spoons, a 1 cup measuring cup, a muffin baking tray with liners, or you could do without alternatively, but the liners make it easier. And last of all, you'll need to set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we've gathered all these ingredients together and our oven is prepared, we'll go ahead and start by mixing the sugar and the melted butter together. Once your sugar and butter is together, something like this, we'll add our 2 eggs. Next we'll mix in our cup of plain yogurt. Next we'll add our teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next we'll add our 2 cups of flour. Starting to look like muffin dough. Next we'll add a fourth a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we'll add a half teaspoon of salt. Last of all, we'll add 3 teaspoons of poppy seeds. And here we have our poppy seed muffin dough. All that's left to do is put it in our baking tray and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until you're able to take a toothpick and stick it in the middle of the muffin and pull it out and it comes out clean. Here is our muffin dough before the oven, and here we have our finished poppy seed muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Totally. don't know if you can see that steam or not. That is a well-cooked muffin. We'll see you next time.